juice.
Good morning.
Morning.
We are in Nassau.
So we're headed to breakfast, and then we're gonna go out to the port and
Go to Breezes.
Yep, get everybody wrangled up.
Yes, we have to walk people off the ship.
Yep.
We have some newbies and they're nervous.
Yep.
Now, Mimi here is struggling. Mimi's on the struggle bus this morning.
You want me to do it?
Mimi, that can't go on YouTube.
Probably lying.
Mimi's on the struggle bus this morning and cannot get ready to save her life.
I'm getting ready. I can't help it. You girls just move faster than me, and you're always in my way, so I wait.
That's what happened.
It's exactly what happened.
We've been waiting on Mimi
Every time
for
I
45
try,
minutes now.
You have not.
Stop talking and put your shoes on, you old woman.
Every time I try to get ready, you say, do this, do that, do this, do that. And I have to stop what I'm doing to do
When did anyone tell her to do that?
what you want me to do.
When did... Okay, I made you put a Band-Aid on me.
And you needed me to put your clothes in the cupboard.
That was last night.
No, that was this morning.
That was last night.
No, that was this morning.
That was last night.
This morning. I don't...
That was last night. That was last night.
No, it wasn't.
It definitely was. So, I forgot what I was going to say before she so rudely interrupted us in her long tirade about being wrong.
No, that was today.
It was last night. She's a mess. We have Family Feud tonight. Guys, I'm nervous. And we're not allowed to be inebriated. We're not allowed to be drinking. And we gotta go up on stage in front of 6,000 people. And we gotta be sober. That's not okay. But I've been putting out our name on the elevator so that everyone's showing up cheering for the Carolina Cruisers. That's been my game plan. Been like, I'm gonna just wrangle everybody up and everyone's gonna be cheering for us. Not her.
Why?
Just me. You ain't part of the Carolina Cruisers.
Oh. No, I'm not.
She's not a Carolina Cruiser.
I'm not playing.
We got the Hess family and the Kayla.
And the Kayla.
And I am not the team captain because I did not want to go up on the stage yesterday.
Nope.
Poor Brian. Alright.
You're leaving your glasses, Fallon?
Okay. We're gonna go because we're supposed to be meeting for breakfast 10 minutes ago.
Bye.
Bye. Alright. We made it to Nassau. We made it in a taxi for 11 of us. And now we're heading to Breezes. It's cloudy and kind of rainy. Fingers crossed it goes away.
Yep. And it doesn't look like it's too bad today.
Yeah. Not like it was at Disney. It's hot in this taxi, though, I'll tell you that. Alright, well, we'll check in again later. It's a pretty Christmas tree. It's Christmas in the Bahamas. Oh, that was good. Lisa needs to put her sunglasses on. Beach volleyball happening. We made it to the beach at Breezes. There's a lot of construction going on. It was kind of sketchy. A little scary. Alright, let's ready back to the action. Oh, a hot tub. That'd be nice. Who Who gave you 2? Oh. Good call. Yep. What'd you get to drink? A mimosa. No? Can I have some of your mimosa? Well, drink some of it. Is it yummy? She says it's her turn. Get it, Todd? It's always Todd.
It actually has turned out to be a pretty sunny day so far. I mean, we have some clouds over here.
We contemplated not getting off because it was gonna rain, but it looks really pretty out, so I think we're good. The water's rough though, so and no water sports.
The hot tub is working this time.
Yay!
So it wasn't working the last time we were here, but we're down a pool.
Yeah.
So I've been in the hot tub already today.
Ooh, I gotta get out this cold water. Bye! Oh, Todd.
Okay, get your. Ooh, she knocked it in.
He knew that would happen.
All right, it's the first team to 15. Okay.
Oh, I'm really in your face.
All right. Y'all stop letting these bags in the front of my board. The holes up some more.
Yay!
But all right, let's get it started. She gotta warm up. She gotta warm up. It's okay.
Oh, he does not have to warm up.
Alright, Devon, your mouth's pretty hard and you on the back bench.
Hey!
It's for Team Blue. Listen. Be careful. Nice, okay. Oh, now hit it in. Just hit it in. So close.
Go ahead, G. Oh.
Alright.
Oh.
Let's go now. Alright. Bingo. Oh.
Atta girl, G.
Okay. Let's go. 15, 12. Can he seal it? No, he cannot.
I'm sure this ain't going on. I'm pretty sure. Y'all got it. Y'all got it. Alright. It's still Team Princess in the lead with 3 points and Team Y'all going down with 0. Would y'all say chicken egg? Chicken eggs, y'all. Kiki, what you? You playing now? Okay. Alright, you got this. Almost. Sit. Well, too late for 2 straight. Okay, Kiki, almost. Good job, Devon. You're doing an amazing job. Alright. Team Breezes with 6 points. Let's get him. Kiki, kill him there. You know, he's don't know when to stop when he starts talking about you. 6 chicken eggs. 6 chicken eggs. Almost. It ain't for cornhole. What? Shut up, this ain't about me. This is alright, that's where we at. Y'all ready?
That was not a good start.
Time out, time out. Team 4 to 2. Oh. Start over.
3-2. My bad.
Oh.
Say half the family's going down. Half the family's going down. All right. All right.
You got this, G.
One more point to win.
It's the celebration behind you.
He does not give you any hope. Any hope. Let's get it.
Hey!
Bro, who is this lady?
She's very good. She gets it at the wrong time though.
Oh my god!
All right, that game is done, but team is first. That's fine. She got all the scores.
Okay, so just to wrap up this cornhole debacle, because nobody recorded the championships with me and Kiki in it against Todd and Dylan and Team Flo. Team Breezes won. Let's go. Thank you, Kiki, for a fun day. You're so pretty. You are so pretty. I don't even know if you're in focus. You are so pretty, kitty. Well, you're hot. You need to find some shade, baby. He's so pretty. I can't believe he's letting us pet it. Yeah. Oh, I can't believe you're letting us pet you. You're beautiful. Beautiful, I am. What do you think I'm doing?
It's a purring away.
That's all the. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you have signed up for our balloon toss, come on down to the. They are very fast. So I need everybody with a balloon to come on this side. Wait a minute. No, that's why I give y'all the opportunity to pick the balloon. So I need for the first. So for the beginning, everybody come closer. Right there, right there. Come here, wait. So we're gonna do a simple toss. 1, 2, 3, go. Eat. Oh my gosh, they don't want their balloon. They don't want to take balloon. Okay, now back up. Come on down so they go to space. Okay, now turn to your side. Facing the beach. Now I want the person with the balloon. Oh, that's too hard already? Yeah, hook shot. Okay, so face down, face down. Simply show the balloon. You get one more balloon, okay? She said if you wanted to substitute in. Yes! Be a team player. Okay, now, since like y'all are easy one, that's very easy. Turn to your side and face the beach, please. And I want y'all to do this. So 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, how it didn't burst!
Our face is so high!
Baby with a concussion. Ripped our baby head so bad. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I need y'all to go back. Come over. He in the bush. He's in the bush. Turn around. So instead of throwing backward, they're gonna what? Under the leg. Hold on, but to make it more easy, because that's way too far for them, and I don't think all of them have an arm. So come, Rachel. To make it fair, I'm fair, right? I'm good. I'm decent.
The baby's concussion.
The battery's almost dead.
Are you serious?
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, ladies, come with me. I need y'all to go on the big blue stage. Yes.
Her baby got sick.
I love this job.
Hey everybody, Editing Kayla here. I just wanted to jump on and kind of give somewhat of an overview of what we did for the rest of the evening, since we just kind of abruptly cut off while we're still in Nassau. We unfortunately we're kind of running a little behind, leaving the Resort of Breezes, and we're kind of freaking out because by the time we left and getting to the port, we had like 10 minutes to run the length of the pier before all aboard time, and I've never been that late before, and it was freaking me out. But we had a fantastic time at Breezes Resort in Nassau with the family. We, I think, played every game that Breezes was trying to offer. Kiki and the crew that were doing the games and the entertainment were phenomenal. We had a great time hanging out with them all day. The pools were cold, but it was also December. The hot tub was great. The ocean was cold, obviously. Other than that, it was a fantastic experience. We had an amazing time, like I said, and we got back to the port in a rush. We literally had to run down the pier to get back. Not really, but it felt like it. We had more time than I think I'm letting on. I think we got back at 3 and all aboard time was 3:30, but still it felt really close and scary. Anyway, I digress before I get carried away. That night, well, I think for me, I know I went straight back to the cabin. I got in the shower. I got in my ugly Christmas sweater and my leggings, and I had a drink, and I went to grab at least a little bit to eat, and then we had our Family Feud. We were the 7:45 show. We had to be in the theater by 6 in order to get, you know, the lowdown of what we needed to do and all the information. We had a fantastic time on Family Feud. I highly recommend trying out for it and seeing if you can get on. It was a lot of fun. We ended up losing, but the family that we competed against were amazing. We so enjoyed getting to know them that night and then the rest of the trip. It was so much fun. So highly recommend trying out for Family Feud, and highly recommend Breezes Resort. After Family Feud, I don't really remember much of anything. I know we went and had a oh my gosh we lost drink, and then I know we went to Chibang maybe? No, because we filmed in Chibang. So it was not Chibang that we went to. Maybe we just went to the dining room that night. I'm not sure actually. Like when I tell you I had stage fright brain the rest of the night, I don't really remember much. I know we went to bed relatively early though. We did not make it to see the other Family Feud, which I was really sad about. It was packed by the time we got out of dinner and then back, so we weren't able to get a seat, which I was really sad about. So I wanted to see how Family Feud went other than just participating. But that was our night in a nutshell. We'll see you in Amber Cove, the Dominican Republic, for the next video. Bye!